How to connect Facebook ads to Google Sheets. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can connect all the data and import all the data from your Facebook ads into any Google Sheet, any Google spreadsheet. Okay, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. The first steps are quite simple. First of all, you must go into the upper menu and click on extensions, then go into add-ons and then get add-ons. So you're gonna obtain a new window and there you're gonna type the word coefficient. This is the app we're looking for, coefficient Salesforce. So you must click on install because I've installed it before. My pattern is quite different, but you just have to complete the process and give coefficient Salesforce the authorization to get into your Google spreadsheet. Okay, once you have done that and completed the process, go again into extensions and there you're gonna find your ad, coefficient Salesforce. Okay, so you must click on launch and this is gonna be working in order to give you a new menu in your right screen. Now, we want to import all the data from our Facebook ads platform into this Google Sheet. Okay, so let's click here. You're gonna find different apps here. If in case you don't find it, at the bottom you're gonna find the option to see all sources, but by now I have it here in the third position. Okay, so you must click on connect and now authorize Facebook ads to get into your Google spreadsheet. Okay, so just click on authorize, follow the steps, and once you have done that, you're gonna be able to import all the data into your Google spreadsheet, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.